It is our honor that today we have eminent a scholar, Professor Arun Kumar Misra from Computer Science Engineering, Department of USET Hazaribagh to deliver a motivational talk and will interact with you all. You must be familiar with him. He did MTech in Computer Science Engineering from IIT BHU and got BHU medal for outstanding first in MTech by then the Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh. He is coordinator of Technical Education Quality Improvement Program and controller of examination of USET Hazaribagh. He has 12 years of teaching experience and 2 years of experience in industry, and he organized national level seminars, conferences and workshops. So over to you, Professor Arun Misra sir, for joining the Student Induction Program 2020, please. Sir?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Good morning, all, and welcome to the new chapter of your life. As I saw, different type of students have joined MBA, D2D, and first semester BTech students. So before I start, I am going to share my screen. Please let me know whether it is visible or not. Screen is visible or not?
Students, visible. It is visible. आप लोग बताइए. It is visible or not?
Not visible. Yes, sir, visible.
So,
yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, fine, thank you. So we are going to discuss today few things about skills for professional students. So we will start. Before that, just want to know about need versus want. Are they same, or is there any difference? Anyone? Anyone who wants to speak can speak.
No, sir, there is a difference.
Okay, fine. What exactly is the difference, do you think?
The need means we need the product or anything in urgency, or want means what we wish to have.
Very good. Actually, when we talk about need, these are the things that we must possess, means essential for our life. Okay. But when we talk about wants, the things that we desire, the things that we aspire. So before starting BTech, MBA, or a diploma to degree course at GGSTC, you must have dreamed of something, you must have aspired that you want to go to IIT, NIT, or IIM, or you want to get certain different kind of branches like CSC, IT, or whatever specialization you may wish. So the thing is that now you are at one of the better institutions of Jharkhand, infrastructure wise and the faculty wise. Now, how to achieve, how to excel in your life is the major question. I have shown one diagram here. If you see Maslow's theory of motivation, is it visible? here you can find that different kind of needs are mentioned: physiological need, safety need, social need, esteem need, and self actualization need. And for motivation, these needs are very much necessary. Understanding these needs, why, we are going to discuss one by one. Like when we talk about physiological need, we talk about food, water, shelter, air. Have you heard that roti, kapda और मकान?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, these are essential. अगर आप भूखे हो अभी, तो ये जो प्रेजेंटेशन चल रहा है, ये आपको मजा नहीं देगा, ये आपको आनंद नहीं देगा. You are not going to get anything. So basic needs, that is physiological needs, it must be satisfied. Next is what? Safety needs. Freedom from fear. आज आपको मिल रहा है रोटी, कल भी मिले. आज आपको शेल्टर मिल रहा है, कल भी मिले. तो ये सारी चीजें कहाँ आ गई? सेफ्टी नीड्स में. नेक्स्ट इज सोशल नीड्स. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट मीन्स? belongingness. Belongingness to family, friend, community, organization. Like now you are students of certain institution, doing certain degree. So everyone aspire that he must or she must belong to an organization. Next is esteem need. What exactly esteem means? Self-respect, achievement, fame. And last one is self-actualization need. You have full of potentials. You realize that according to your potential, you are not working as the utilization of that potential is not actually happening. So you strive for actualization. So these are the needs, and accordingly, every person is in at some state. So we have to see we are in which state and we have to work accordingly. Next, what are the expectations from an engineering student after graduating? What are the skills? So scholars have mentioned certain skills. I have mentioned 10 life skills here. Empathy, the first one. Meaning what? You must be able to put yourself in another positions, another person's state of mind to understand her or his problems and try to solve them. Problem solving, the basic technique. This is not about just solving the mathematical questions. This is about the real life problems. You have to define, you have to analyze, and then develop a tendency to give a solution and test it. Another one is interpersonal skills. Everyone has to work in team. So these skills are very much required. How you make relationship within team, and after that people skill. The basic skill that is required for this is people skill, soft skill to climb up the ladder. Next one is two important C's: creative thinking and critical thinking. Creative means coming out of box, producing new ideas or something like that. If you are having existing ideas, find new ways to use that. Critical thinking, thinking in rational way. Again, coping with stress management, another important thing, because when you go to the industry or suppose join any organization after completing your degree, you are going to get many kind of stresses. You have to cope with that. Again, you have to manage your emotions, be aware of yourself, make decisions, and last but not the least, effective communication. Whatever you think, you must be able to communicate, must be able to share to your peers, your team leaders, and the clients. Now let us see this picture. Here, one of the Hindu deity, Lord Ganesha, has been shown. There are certain learnings from these pictures. What exactly one should do with head, eyes, ears, nose, and stomach. Let us see one by one. The head. So, एलिफेंट आप लोगों ने देखा है, जहां उनके सर की बात की जाए, हेड की बात की जाए, तो बहुत बड़ा होता है ना. What exactly it means? Stay focused and avoid unnecessary confrontations. उलझना नहीं है. Next, see the ears. Big ear. What exactly says? Listen more. And small tongue that speaks that you should speak less. Again, the eyes. Okay, if you see the eyes sidewise, what exactly it means? That provide vision and clarity during uncertain times. Again, nose. कीप एन आई ऑन योर ब्रांड रेपुटेशन. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, नाक अपनी बचा कर रखनी चाहिए. तो क्या है? यू हैव टू कीप एन आई ऑन योर ब्रांड रेपुटेशन. अगेन, स्टोमक, बिग स्टोमक. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट मीन्स? दैट जो भी चीजें हैं आप उसे पचा जाओ. किस तरह से? टू मेंटेन ट्रस्ट विथ योर पार्टनर्स. कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, इट मस्ट बी मेंटेन. नाउ, कैन एनीवन डिफाइन व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज सक्सेस? Those who want may unmute and answer it. Yes. Anyone? जैसा कि सर ने बोला इंटरैक्टिव सेशन करना है, तो कुछ आपकी तरफ से भी है.
Or students, you may interact with sir. Any interested student may interact.
No one? चलिए, कोई बात नहीं.
The position in life we want to achieve.
Okay, fine. It is a position that we want to achieve. और कुछ?
Yes, sir. Success is something we use our potential and get everything in our life, such
Okay.
as luxury.
Okay, fine. और कोई? Anyway, in general, we can define success is the achievement of something. And something is what? That we desire, or that we plan, or that is attempted. So, success is the achievement of something that is desired, planned, or attempted. Now, what exactly is the formula for success? One of the great success gurus, Shiv Khera, has told that your attitude, the way you look at every situation, your beliefs, your values, and your vision form the basis of your success. With positive thinking, anything is possible, but it has to be coupled with well-defined action plan. So whatever you want to do, you can do with the positive thinking, but it must be coupled with definite action plan. So if you want to get success, you must set your goal. Why goal setting is required? अगर आपको ये नहीं मालूम हो कि आप जाना कहां चाहते हैं, तो क्या कभी पहुंच पाएंगे? नहीं ना. तो you have to be aware where you want to reach. That's why goal setting is important. And if you are setting the goal, you must get something to measure कि आप कहां तक पहुंचे उस जर्नी में. So goal setting is one of the important thing in getting the success. Next, if we talk about engineering study and success in engineering study, so we are going to talk about hard work, smart work, and your attitude. Think positive always. Now, let us see this cone of learning by Edgar Dale. Because you are going to spend 4 years, 3 years, and 2 years, respectively, by BTech first year, D2D, and the MBA students at the institution. तो लर्निंग कैसी होती है ये जरा आप देख लीजिए. What exactly is the saying of Confucius that I see and I forget, I hear and I remember, and I do and I understand. Can anyone read this cone right from the top of the cone? Yes. Reading, and simultaneously here what you see?
10% of what we read.
After 2 weeks we tend to remember 10% of what we read. Next.
Hearing words,
And here
10% of what we hear.
हाँ, तो जो हम सुनते हैं उसका कितना परसेंट रिटेन करते हैं? 20%. अगेन
30% of what we see.
नेक्स्ट.
Watching a movie, looking at an exhibit, watching a demonstration, seeing it done on location.
If somebody shows us, then what we are going to remember? 50%.
50% of what we see and hear.
And these all are passive type of learning. Okay. Now coming on to active, what exactly is this?
Participating in a discussion, giving a talk, 70% of what we say.
Next.
Doing a dramatic presentation,
Simulating the,
stimulating the real
doing the,
experience, doing the real thing.
and what we tend to remember? 90%.
What we say and do.
So if we talk about learning and your path of learning, so you have to invest majority of the time in which part? Active or passive? कहां पर आप इन्वेस्ट करना चाहोगे?
Inactive part, sir.
इन एक्टिव पार्ट. सो एक्टिव पार्ट क्या होंगे आपके कंटेक्स्ट में? डूइंग इंटर्नशिप, डूइंग प्रोजेक्ट, गिविंग द प्रेजेंटेशन, डिस्कसिंग अमॉन्ग योर पीयर्स. आप अपने बीच ग्रुप बनाकर जो डिस्कस करोगे, जो प्रेजेंटेशन दोगे, जो प्रोजेक्ट वर्क करोगे, तो इसके लिए क्या है? पहला काम जो आप करेंगे वो ये करिए कि इंटर्नशाला जो एआईसीटी के लिए तरफ से इंटर्नशिप के लिए है, वहां पे आप रजिस्टर हो जाएंगे, अपने टीएनपी सेल से मिलेंगे, वहां पर आपको सारी जानकारियां दी जाएंगी, आप वो सारा काम यहाँ करेंगे. साथ ही साथ अपना प्रोजेक्ट, इफ यू हैव एन आइडिया, आप स्टार्टअप भी कर सकते हो. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर, जो भी आपका अभी है आइडिया पे वर्क करो. देयर आर मेनी एजेंसी, इवन एआईसीटी इटसेल्फ गिव्स द फंड. तो आपको क्या करना है? आइडिया को कम्युनिकेट करना है. स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकाथन होता है, तो वहां पर आप प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हो. तो वो सारी चीजें पार्टिसिपेशन आपको करनी है. तो जो लर्निंग होगी एग्जैक्टली वही लर्निंग आपसे रिक्वायर्ड है जो आप रिटेन करोगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ टाइम. Very important with concept in the context of your achieving the goal. The first one is that I already discussed, that set clear goals for yourself. And we always talk smart, 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 and certain thing has been written after smart. What exactly these are? The goal must be specific for smart. Next is measurable. Next, achievable. then realistic, and then time based. Okay, so your goal must be specific, must be measurable, must be achievable, something not that you can't achieve and you have set as your goal. Next, realistic. Sounds quite similar, but these are different things. That realistic, you have to be in real world. So we are talking about the goals. These must be smart. Next, you must give priority. Every day you come across many things, you have to give the priority which one is more important. Next is organizing. You must write all the things what exactly you want to do today. You make a calendar. You are having the smart devices, smartphones. You can make the list of work that you are going to do on a particular day. Next one is being able to say no when it is appropriate. Actually, when you see in the real world, in your organization, when you work good, work hard, then what exactly happens? You are bombarded with many responsibilities. So you must be able to say no, because you have to focus on your own work also that you already have. Next one is concentrate on the current task. Like suppose we are discussing for the time being the time management. And if you are thinking about your lunch, your dinner, your whereabouts, then you are not going to get the full learning of this session. So concentrate on the current task. Next one is use your personal prime time. Every individual has different time stamp. Okay, in full day of 24 hours, you must realize, okay, इस समय मेरा दिमाग काफी एक्टिव होता है, इस समय मैं ज्यादा कंसंट्रेशन के साथ काम कर सकता हूं. तो ये आप आइडेंटिफाई करो कि विच टाइम इज योर पर्सनल प्राइम टाइम, एंड यूज योर पर्सनल प्राइम टाइम टू द मोस्ट sensitive work. Next is celebrate. One of the most important thing. After accomplishment of your goals, whether small or big, you must celebrate. और कोई सेलिब्रेट नहीं करे तो कम से कम क्या करें, अपने दोनों हाथों को लाएं और अपनी ही पीठ पर इस तरह से दबताएं, वेल डन, दैट्स इट, एंड यू विल फील रिलैक्स. So these are the basic things that you must keep in mind for managing the time. The next thing, never change your originality, because no one can play your role better than you. So be yourself and be original. Before I move further, let me share one incident, one story. There are two teachers, okay, and one teacher is quite efficient. What he does, he prepares the PPT, shares the notes, and give the presentation very well. All the things are organized. Another one just comes and delivers the talk. So at this point, what do you think? Which teacher is more beneficial? The first one or the second one? Anyone?
The first one, sir.
The first one. Okay. Let me add few things more. The first one, after completing the class, goes and the student find that nothing has come to in their mind. Okay, but in the second class, the teacher who has just come in unorganized way and he has delivered a talk, most students got what he wanted to communicate. Now, what do you think? Which teacher was better? Yes? Anyone? पहला वाला ही बेटर है या फिर दूसरा जो इफेक्टिवनेस की हम बात कर रहे हैं? Yes.
The second one, sir.
The second one. Now, the thing is that you are going to come across this situation in many ways. You are going to hear efficiency and effectiveness throughout your career. If we want to define these two words, then you can say that the first teacher was efficient, isn't it? He has done all the things that are required for a teaching. But the second one was more effective because he has done the right thing. So we can say that doing the right thing is what effectiveness, and doing the things right, that what is expected from you, is the efficiency. So this is the basic difference between what we say in general managerial terms, that you are going to get in your life, that you should be more effective, more efficient. So first priority should be on effectiveness, and next efficiency should also be maintained. But if you are not effective, whatever you do in better way or in another way, you are not going to produce the desired result. Okay. Now you have joined engineering, isn't it? And MBA management also. Can
Yes,
anyone
sir.
define engineering? What exactly do you think about engineering? क्या डिफरेंस है बेसिक साइंस का कोर्स करते और इंजीनियरिंग का कोर्स कर रहे हैं? इज देयर एनीथिंग डिफरेंट?
Basic science is generally we are learning about theoretical things, and when we are doing engineering, it's about technical terms.
Technical terms. Okay. Anyone? और भी
सर
कोई?
बेसिक साइंस और इंजीनियरिंग में यही फर्क है कि
हम्म.
हम बेसिक साइंस में थ्योरी पढ़ लेते हैं कि ये मशीन है,
हाँ हाँ.
बट हम इंजीनियरिंग में उन मशीनों को बना सकते हैं, उनको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं डेली लाइफ में।
वेरी गुड. और कोई बोलना चाहें? देखिए अल्टीमेटली क्या है, व्हेन वी वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड नेचर, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने बताया, तो क्या है, साइंस ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन द नेचुरल फिनोमेना, फाइन. बट इंजीनियरिंग वी आर गोइंग टू द एप्लीकेशन पार्ट, अप्लाइंग दैट नॉलेज. और मैनेजमेंट की अगर बात करें, एनीवन फ्रॉम मैनेजमेंट, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मैनेजमेंट इज? क्योंकि मैनेजमेंट तो आपको करना ही है. अभी हम लोगों ने बात की टाइम मैनेजमेंट की, स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट की, वेरियस लाइफ स्किल्स, वो तो आपको हमेशा करते रहना है. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, मैनेजमेंट क्या हो सकता है? एनीवन? फाइन. One of the definition that I appreciate very much is that management is designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working in group achieve the overall objective of the organization while achieving their personal goal. So individuals are going to work in a group, whether you are working for your project, whether you are working for the university, or whether you are working for your college, you are going to work in a team, not in isolation. So teamwork is important, and whatever you achieve overall, it is going to give benefit to the organization, while you are also going to get the benefits. So maintaining such kind of environment is what management's work is. Now planning is there, controlling is there, everything, organizing, all the functions are involved. So in day-to-day life also, you are going to get all the situations and you are going to get management for all those things. Okay. Now, have you gone through the AICTE mandate for this induction program? आप लोगों ने देखा है कि ये इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम क्यों आवश्यक है, क्या जरूरत है इसकी? तो AICTE की वेबसाइट पे ये पूरा का पूरा 21 डेज का जो इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम होता है, इन जनरल कहीं 1 वीक, कहीं 2 वीक, कहीं 3 वीक का चलता है, तो वो पूरा गाइडलाइन दिया हुआ है व्हाई इट एग्जैक्टली इट इज रिक्वायर्ड. क्योंकि आपका जो अभी ये जो चैप्टर चेंज हो रहा है, जस्ट यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम, मेनी ऑफ यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम जस्ट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर 10+2, some of you are from intermediate, and MBA people are coming from the colleges. So ultimately what exactly is required? Your comfortable transition from one environment to another one. Induction is meant for that. Your identification of your own strength. आप अगर देखोगे तो आपके जो क्लासेज हैं ये यूनिवर्सल ह्यूमन वैल्यूज की बात करते हैं, क्योंकि if we are not going to get a good citizenship, then we are not going to get the ultimate outcome from any engineer. आपके अंदर वैल्यूज इम्बाइब हों, वो सारी चीजें हों, तो ये बेसिक पर्पस है. सो उसके लिए क्या है, ये जो मैंने एक लाइन लिखा है जो अननोन किसी ने लिखा है और मैंने पीपीटी में यहाँ डाला है कि नेवर चेंज योर ओरिजिनलिटी, यू आर क्वाइट स्पेशल, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड यू पॉजेस सर्टेन क्वालिटीज. हो सकता है कि आपकी मेहनत आपके परफॉर्मेंस के हिसाब से ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं हो पाई फॉर द टाइम भी, आपको आईआईटी नहीं मिला, एनआईटी नहीं मिला, या फिर डिजायर्ड ब्रांच नहीं मिला, लेकिन यू कैन एक्सेल इन योर लाइफ बाय पुटिंग एफर्ट्स फॉर योर गोल. गेट की तैयारी कर सकते हो, आप आगे क्रैक कर सकते हो एग्जाम्स पीएसयूज के, आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो, जो भी आपका गोल है वो आप अचीव कर सकते हो. तो पहली चीज जो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सभी लोगों से कि NPTEL ये आप सर्च करेंगे गूगल पे इस क्लास के होने के बाद, और उसमें जो आपके रेलिवेंट कोर्सेज हैं, ठीक है, जो भी सेमेस्टर के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, उन रेलिवेंट कोर्सेज को आप इनरोल करोगे. फाइन. साथ ही साथ बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे कोर्सेज हैं. यूडेमी का नाम सुना है आपने?
यस सर.
हाँ, तो जो आपके जो स्किल सेट्स के अनुसार, क्योंकि जो आने वाला फ्यूचर है, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व क्लोजली, तो जो नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर स्किल्स हैं, तो आप लोग सब जान रहे हैं कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, 3D प्रिंटिंग, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स, IoT, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, रोबोटिक्स एंड ऑटोमेशन, ये सारे के सारे जो हैं ये आने वाले दिनों में इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल्स होने जा रहे हैं. तो इसके लिए अभी से तैयारी करनी है. जो कोडिंग की अगर बात करें तो आप सुन रहे होंगे पाइथन. नोइंग पाइथन इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. आप प्रोग्रामिंग अभी से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. ऑनलाइन फ्री ऑफ कोर्सेज आपके अवेलेबल हैं. IIT बॉम्बे की आप साइट पे जाओगे, वहां स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल करके बहुत सारी चीजें उसमें कोर्सेज मेंशन्ड है, प्रोग्रामिंग विथ R, पाइथन. तो ये सारी चीजें आप फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट कर सकते हो, या फिर कहीं भी बहुत कम कॉस्ट में आप कर सकते हो. Now you are having the knowledge at your fingertips. What you have to do? You have to set your goal and organize accordingly. So this was my presentation about basic life skills that you must develop after graduating from this prestigious institution. All the best for your future. If any question, you can definitely ask. Thank you.
The classes will start.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you please explain NPTEL?
NPTEL. I am writing it in the chat box. It is maintained by IIT Madras. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can go to the website, you can search NPTEL, and you are going to get thousands of courses as per your branch, as per your need. You can register. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any more question? Hello? Students,
Yes, sir.
is there any question?
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, Professor Arun Mitra, sir,
Thank you,
for your
sir.
nice, informative, useful and fruitful talk. You have discussed factors of success very well. Factors such as self-respect, confidence, expectation, time management, hard work and others are very important factors. Relation with surroundings is essential. We have defined creative thinking, critical thinking, also 10 life skill points. Effective communication is very essential. You have explained the formula for success. Play vital role to achieve the goal. Essential. You have explained words more efficient, effective very nicely. Never change your originality and apply effort to achieve your goals. These words are motivated to our students well. I fully hope that our students are motivated by your nice talk. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर। बस 2 लाइन इनके लिए बोल देना चाहता हूं कि तुमको
हाँ,
आगे
जरूर,
बढ़ना
जरूर,
है तो
welcome.
जी, तुमको आगे बढ़ना है तो बहता पानी बन जाओ।
बोलिए।
तुमको आगे बढ़ना है तो बहता पानी बन जाओ, क्योंकि ठहरा पानी ढक जाता है एक दिन अपनी इकाई से। सो गतिशील रहें। सबको मेरी शुभकामनाएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद, सर।